Hi everyone, welcome back to Terraton. Today I'm going to share some essential strategies to help you master the Retell Lecture task in the PTE Speaking section. This task challenges you to listen to a lecture and summarize its key point in your own words, all within a 40 seconds. It tests both your listening skills and your ability to communicate complex idea clearly but with the right approach. You can excel. Let me walk through some effective strategies. First and foremost, the key to success in the task is focusing on the main points when listening to the lecture. Don't worry about remembering every single detail. Your job is to grasp the central idea. What is the speaker core message, or what are the 2 or 3 most important points? These what you need to capture and convey. If the lecture is about climate change, for instance, the main topic might be how climate change affects the agriculture. Focus on that and supporting details such as examples or explanation the speaker gives. Once you identify the main points, it's helpful to follow a structured approach. Having a mental template can guide you as respond. Here, one of the work well. Start with an introduction. For example, the lecture discusses the impact of climate change on agriculture. Then move on the key point. Mention 2 or 3 major details the speaker provided, such as specific causes or consequences. Finally, end with a conclusion that summarizes the overall message. Now, to capture these points effectively, you need to take a note. The PT provided an erasable notepad for this task, so make good use of it. But remember, you don't have time to write a full sentence. Instead, jot down the keywords, the main topic, numbers, names, or any key phrases the speaker emphasizes. Use abbreviations or symbols if it helps. If the lecture is about the effect of technology on education, you might write down text plus edu and then few key terms related to advantages or challenges. While you take notes, pay close attention to the structure of the lecture. Speaker often give clues that help you to follow the flow of the talk. Listen the signal words like first, next, or in the end. This will help you to understand how the lecture is organized and make it easier to summarize later. For example, if the speaker says first, we will discuss the benefits of online learning, you know that the next part of your summary should be cover those benefits. After key point to remember is that you should use your own words when summarizing the lecture. Don't try to memorize or repeat exactly what the speaker said. Instead, paraphrase the information. For example, if the speaker says climate change is causing a rapid decline in crop yields, you could say the speaker explained the climate change in reducing agriculture output. This shows that you not only understood the lecture but expressed the ideas clearly and concise. Now let's talk about the fluency and time management. The PT is not just about accuracy, it's about how you deliver your response. Speak clearly and confidently even if you are not 100% sure about every detail. Avoid long pauses or hesitation. You have only 40 seconds to summarize the lecture, so be mindful of time. Don't spend too long on any one of point. Instead, aim to cover the introduction, key points, and conclusion within the time limit. One of the best way to improve in the task is through practice. The more you practice listening to lecture and summarizing them, the more comfortable you will become identifying the points quickly. Try using online resources like TED Talks or short educational videos. Listen to a 60 to 90 second segment, then retell the lecture in your own words. This will help you to build both your listening comprehension and your summarization skill. In summary, I would like to say mastering the Retell Lecture task require a combination of note-taking, structuring your response, paraphrasing, and delivering your summary frequently. Focus on the main point, use a clear structure, and speak with a confidence. With the consistent practice, you will be able to summarize lecture effectively and improve your overall score in the PT. Ready to take the next steps towards your dream career abroad? Get a free consultation today. Simply fill out the forms, link is in the description, and pin comments below. Don't miss this opportunity to get an expert advice tailored just for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Terraton for more tips on achieving your goals abroad. See you in the next video.